Have you ever tried to open a water bottle now and the cap won't come off? I mean, it's pretty annoying, right? You twist and pull, but the cap stays stuck to the bottleneck. Well, I know, it seems to be impossible, but there is a good reason for that. This new packaging design is part of European law aimed at reducing plastic pollution. But while this regulation may help, the bigger problem still remains. Plastic is everywhere. It's in our clothes, our packaging, our oceans, and even inside our bodies. And sometimes you think you are making the eco-friendly choices, but you are actually not. Take a paper coffee cap, for example. You might think, great, it's paper, it's recyclable, it's a green choice. Well, most of these caps are not just paper. Indeed, they contain hidden plastic layers to make them waterproof. These plastic layers improve functionality, but making recycling much more difficult because they require extra steps to separate plastic from paper. So that's why we need a truly recyclable and plastic-free solution, and that's where my PhD project, together with the Italian company SACMI, comes in. We successfully developed a new paper packaging that is waterproof and totally plastic-free. How? We use drying oils, the same kind used for paints and wood finishes, that harden when only exposed to air. Their hardening creates a total natural barrier against water. The problem? This oil takes days to harden, way too slow for industry, of course. So we successfully sped up the reaction by using only it, without need of harmful chemicals. And that's not all. To shape our object, we used a process called dry molding, which allows us to obtain 3D paper object that with only use temperature and pressure without excessive water commonly used in traditional paper production. So our final results: waterproof and totally plastic-free bottle caps and paper caps that, most surprisingly, can go straight into the paper recycling bin. Easy, guilt-free, and better for the planet. So, in the end, can paper save us from plastic pollution? Maybe not entirely, but can be part of the solution, without doubt. By exploring new materials and natural coating, we can take powerful steps towards reducing our plastic dependence. Thank you very much.